Hello, this video is about the MCD EVO 3 axle, and this here is the sport model axle. It's totally different than the EVO 2 and the Proline version, and even the V4. It's longer than the EVO 2 axle, and it's all the way round up here, where the other one has like a hex style design. I was cranking this, the wheel was on here in the hex square, and it just broke right here at its weak spot. But the main thing I want to show you is, let me put that down, is these tires here, the Monster Truck tires on the MCD. Okay, here's two of them, and they look the same. Here is, right here, the EVO 3 tires, where you could pump it up. You could see that valve stem there where you could put air, and it looks pretty much, other than that, you think that it looks pretty much the same, right? Where this one here, the older design, the Proline and the EVO 2, as you can see, you can't, there's no valve stem, so you'd have to find another means of pumping up this tire, or just running it like it is, which is fine. This one here feels like it has air already in it. So the main thing I want to show you is that's not the only differences. There's more to it. As you could see here, the EVO 3, you see that? Okay. Where that axle goes through, that axle hole. The Proline and the EVO 2, it's more deeper. Okay, compared to that and that. And whoops, trying to get a good focus here. The hole, the diameter of the hole, is a lot smaller on the older MCD Monster Truck tires. That compared to that, which is bigger. So, and I'll show you by putting this in here, which it will go in like so. Oh, by the way, the axle on the EVO 3, the Sport, this is covered, where the other one goes all the way through. There's no steel. It's just it's all hollow here, where this one is nice because the axle stays in here, where it's all the way, it's a full cut. It's not cut, it's not like a slotted cut for the EVO 2. So you can see here, it goes through. Now, okay, let's flip this one on the older one, and you can't put it in because the hole is smaller. So the differences of these two tires is the depth of the axle hole between them. The EVO 3 is a lot wider, and the hole is bigger than the Proline and EVO 2 Monster Truck tires. So there's a difference between these two, besides just having it where you pump air. And I just want to point that out here. And this is just a food for thought video on the MCD tires.